We all know that the competition among influencers in the English-speaking Instagram community is fierce. Even reels with high-quality editing and creative ideas sometimes struggle to get views. But what if I told you there's a way to break through and gain more traction? The secret: translating your reels into languages spoken in less competitive regions? Think about it. Instagram is a global platform, but most creators focus on English-speaking audiences. Meanwhile, there are millions of users in non-English-speaking countries with far fewer influencers creating high-quality reels in their native language. If you translate your content into these languages,
When customers were presented with many options to choose, si quieres vender más de lo que vendes ahora, preste atención a ces trois découvertes marketing.
you instantly open the door to a whole new audience with less competition, and AI can translate your Instagram reels into any language with perfect lip sync, voiceovers, and subtitles. Today, I'll show you how to dominate untapped markets, grow your audience 10 times, and boost sales. Let's dive in. First, start by grabbing the video you want to translate. If it's on Instagram, just copy the video link, then use any online video downloader to save it to your computer. Next, head over to VMEG, the video translation tool. It lets you translate, localize, and even dub your videos in over 170 languages, and with 7,000 plus voices. Super powerful. In addition to video translation, you can also use its subtitle editor, AI slideshow maker, and product video generator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VMEG video translator. Let's get started. First, log into your account and head over to the dashboard. Click on the video translation feature. Now upload your video and pick the language you want to translate it into. You can choose how many speakers are in the video, or just let the tool auto-detect it. Then there's a cool option to clone the speaker's original voice. And if you want a different vibe, you can explore the AI voice library. Thousands of voices to choose from, so you'll definitely find one that fits your content. Once your settings are good to go, hit Submit. After a short wait, you'll land in the built-in editor. Here, all your dialogue is automatically transcribed and split into two sections, the original and the translated version. Don't like a translation? No problem, just click this little button to retranslate. You can do it as many times as you want until it sounds right. Want to hear how it sounds? You can preview each sentence.
2. Cuando Campbell Soup limitó el número de latas que una persona podía comprar a la vez.
If something feels too fast, just drag the segment to slow it down a bit. Super handy.
2. Cuando Campbell Soup limitó el número de latas que una persona podía comprar a la vez.
Scroll down, and you'll find some extra tools. You can change the subtitle style and font size, and if your video has someone talking directly to the camera, make sure to turn on lip sync. That way, the subtitles match the speaker's mouth movements. It looks way more natural. But for the video I'm using today, there's no one on screen, so I skipped that part. Now, there are two little features I really like. First, the emotion toggle. This lets you add tone and mood to individual sentences, which makes your video feel way more alive. And second, volume control. If a line is too loud or too quiet, you can easily adjust it right there.
En cambio, lo comparan con las opciones cercanas.
Once everything looks good, head over to the download section. VMEG gives you 3 different ways to export your video, so you've got plenty of flexibility. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can turn your video into a polished, translated version, ready to go viral and reach a whole new audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.